Since the car is on stands already, we're going to install a brand new fuel filter, which is going to give a much cleaner fuel for this baby to drink. So before we go under, I have a couple plans today. One, install this. Second, I'm gonna poke the holes to put the oxygen sensor into my exhaust, because the exhaust is not connected yet. Let's go under. Alright, so bucket is down here, and now I'm going to start by removing that bolt. It's a good idea to have a couple of wrenches, so you can have one inside, which is a 21, and one outside, so you can kind of leverage each other. Alright, so I just broke it loose. It's gonna drip some gas, not a lot. Yeah, not at all. There you go. Some more. Now we have this other side here, which I'll probably prefer to take this one instead of the big one, because I can't have access, and I also need to replace this part, so I rather take this, go back to my bench, set everything together with this thing here also, and then come back in here. So we're gonna get a 19mm, and yep, so 19 and 14. So I'm gonna hold this with the 19, put the 14. When you put them together, you can just squeeze them and you break them loose, so you don't need to sweat too much. And that's it. There you go. Smooth now, some gas coming out. Nice. So I have the bolt here, right on, and I have this one out also. So two more bolts down here. I don't know if you can see, right? One here, and this whole thing is gonna come out. I'm gonna put that in there, because you're gonna have gasoline inside this, or alcohol, or whatever your thing is running, and you definitely don't want that. Look, wow, it is dirty. The side of the filter is very dirty. Okay, so not sure how much I'm gonna show about it, but I bought this kit here, and we lost all the washers. I bought this kit here, which is for the Mitsubishi Eclipse, of course, but for the wrong one. If you go back on the lines, I can make it work, but that will be beyond the point. This here is for the 428. Alright, so two banjo bolts, two holes, right? No secret in there. What we're gonna do is, I just got this bracket from the old one put in here, so it's just one 8mm bolt. So now this side here that doesn't have this L thing will receive this guy, right? This goes to the bottom of the car, this goes to the top of the car, so it's going to point like this. This, in your case, if you have the fuel pressure regulator, it's going to point up. My case, I wanted this to point down, then because I could see what I've seen now, which was that was leaking, right? So I'm gonna put one washer, bolt, point this down, so the hole must point away from this here. So there you go, it's pointing this way. Ooh, there you go, a 19 millimeter. All right, so we got that. This is going to the fuel line, so I cannot quite tie this up right here, because if I tie it up like this, the fuel line won't align, so it's kind of crazy. This here we need to put in the car because we don't have the rest of it. So there is a washer here already. We're gonna leave that and just put another one on top, the hose, and the hose, the bender thing, and then the bender bolt. So it's gonna be like this. So let's go back inside with our 19 and our fake 20 millimeter, and let's do this under the car. Let's get those two little ones. I'm going to put them right there. All right. Put the washer, the bolt in there. Put the other washer and hide that. So it is there. Now, let me see if I can show you better. Okay, I know it's kind of hard, but this is the guy. Tied that up. So bolt washer, and now this thing here. See, because I left it loose because of that. So I can push this a little bit and put it in there. See this here, it doesn't quite align, so I'll need to loose this a little bit and push that way. So I'll need to do something very stupid, undo everything almost. 1, 2. That's definitely cross-threading. Okay, now I can't open that. There you go. Okay, so look at that. It is there. I'm kind of forcing the line, so I don't want to do that. Okay, so I'm gonna put this guy first. I'm not tight that yet. This here now. So we have 14 millimeter and a 19 there. So yeah, this seems to be tight. So what I'm gonna get is a 19. Put it together like this and just squeeze it. See? Yep, there you go. Squeeze it together. Yeah, there you go. I don't need to squeeze too much. I guess this way now. Yeah. So everything seems to be very tight. What I'm going to do now is just get in the car, turn the key a few times, and be sure that it is not leaking gas. So just hear the noise. Yep, 1, 2, 3, one more. Okay, apparently the battery's tight. We don't have gas anywhere. Oh yeah, there's gas up here. So it's leaking from there, the big one. So I need to tighten that a little more. So let's do it again. Another good indicator, if you have a fuel pressure regulator, would be look if you have pressure in there. So this is good. I have pressure, and I'm gonna go down there again and just put my hand in there or piece of paper and see if it doesn't smell like perfume, like gasoline. Alright, now last thing, we're gonna start the car and see if it works. Tell me, it's gonna work? That one, yep, that one. Put it in there, turn, and hold until the car starts. Alright, let's try again. Once more. Yeah, that's it. Crazy day, but this is how you install the fuel filter. It's actually pretty simple. Takes me longer because I'm making the video and all that stuff, but I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this helps you. Don't forget to do those things. Hit the like button, make a little comment, share those videos, and if you can, subscribe to my videos because there's much more coming. Next video will be me configuring a little bit the AEM, which is a piggyback ECU that is in the car, which is going to make the car run smoother. I already made some of those videos. I'm going to put together probably tomorrow and then upload in a few days from now. But subscribe to my channel, there's much more, and I'll see you in the next video.
Look past my face. See status. I'm eating some McDonald's. 20 miles.